we are it's a Sunday, and this is what sometimes we do in the village for fun. I'm here at the illegal horse race. It's the same thing that you're used to in America, where they set up the cars on the highway and the girl drops the handkerchief and you race with the old 1940 cars or something. Well, here we do it with horses and carts. These guys make a living doing cart work. Like a guy yesterday just moved a ton of steel from this guy's shop over to my building, which is right over there. So it's what they do for fun here. Totally illegal.
This way.
There you go. Get a picture of him and me. This is the guy right here that moved a ton of steel from this place over here to my place over there. That's what he does. He does this cart race that you see. You do this every day. That's what he does.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Thank you. Same to you. Peace and love. Very short.
They were right up to each other, you know.
Yeah, it's a very exhilarating race.